7th chapter 7th fertilizations. Improve your pronunciations. Let's learn. Fertilizations, the cells which result after fusions of the gamete, is called zygote. The process of fusions of male and female gametes to form zygote is called fertilization. 8. The zygote develop into an embryo, fruit and seed formation. After fertilization, the ovary grows into the fruit and other parts of the flower. Followed, the fruit is the dependent ovary. Seed develop from the ovules. The seed contains an embryo enclosed in a protective seed coat. Some fruit are freshly juicy, such as a mango and orange. Some fruit are hard like almond and walnut. Seed dispersal. In nature, same kind of plant grow at a different place. These happens because seed are dispersed to different places. Sometimes after a walk through the forest, after a field or park, you may have found seed or fruit sticking to your cloth. Did you try to observe how these seeds were clinging to your cloth? What do you think will happen if all seeds of a plant were to fall at the same place and grow there? There would be severe competitions for sunlight, water, mineral, and space. As a result, the seed would not grow into a healthy plants. Plant benefit by seed dispersal. It prevent competition between the plant and its own seeding for sunlight, water, and mineral. It is also enable the plants to enable new habitat for wider distribution. Seed and fruit for plants are carried away by winds. Waters and animals winged seeds such as those of drumstick and maple and fight seed and wings seed or drumstick and maples seed of grass or hairy seed of oak, mother and hairy fruit of sunflower. 8.40 get blown off with the wind to far away place. Some seed are dispersed by water. These fruit or seed usually develop fruiting ability in the form of spongy or fibrous outer coat as in coconut. Some seed are dispersed by animals, especially spiny seed with hooks, which get attached to the bodies of animals and are the carried to distant place. Example are gentium and urina. Some seed are dispersed when the fruit and burst with sudden jerks. The seed are scattered from for the parent plant. This happens in the case of castor and balsam. Asexual reproductions, budding, embryo, fertilization, fragmentations, gamete, hypha, ovule, pollen grain, pollen tube, pollination, seed dispersal, sexual reproduction, spore, spongium, vegetative propagation, zygote. What you learn, all organisms multiply or produce their own kind. In plant, there are two modes of reproduction, asexual and sexual. There are several methods of asexual reproduction, such as the fermentations, budding, spore formation, vegetative propagations. Sexual reproduction involves the fusions male and female gametes. In vegetative propagations, new plants are produced from different vegetative parts, such as the leaves, stem, and root. Flower is the reproductive part of plant. A flower may be unisexual with either the male or female reproductive parts. A bisexual flower has both the male and female reproductive parts. The male gametes are found inside the pollen grain and female gametes are found in the ovule. Pollination is the process of transfer of pollen grain from the another one flower to stigma to the same or another flower. Pollination is a two types, self-pollination and cross-pollination. In self-pollination, pollen grains are transferred from the another to the stigma of the same flower. In cross-pollination, pollen grains are transferred from the another of one flower to stigma of another flower to same kind. Pollination takes place in plant with help of wind, water, insect. The fusion of male and female gamete is called fertilization. Fertilized egg is called zygote. Zygote develop into an embryo. Fruit is the mature ovary where this develop into seed which contain the developing embryo. Seed dispersal added by wind, water, and animal. Seed dispersal helps the plant preventing overcrowding, avoid competition for sunlight, water, minerals, invade new habitat.